Is it Employee Appreciation Month? Day?
Hour? Isn't every day Employee Appreciation Day?
It's COVID year.
So we should be extra thankful.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Well, just want to say,
Hey everybody.
it's been a crazy year.
It's been a crazy decade.
Thanks for all your assistance. A lot of times people say we couldn't do it without you. We could have done it without you, but it would have taken a long, long time.
Some things we couldn't. Could you imagine answering the phones and trying to do your job?
Or trying to sell.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Or trying to make product by yourself?
That's what I said. It would have taken a long, long time.
How would you have physically made product by yourself? You want to go down each skill set and tell everybody how much we appreciate their roles? No, I don't either, but we do appreciate everyone's efforts. As you all know, I mean, this is our family away from our family, and we're excited to be here and build Forward Science out, not just for us, but for everyone here. So thank you all for your efforts, what you do today, what you do last week, what you do tomorrow. It's been a long, interesting year. The people that are still on the team, I think it goes to say how much you all are willing to sacrifice and do what's best for the company, and we appreciate that.
Yeah, I really. It's fantastic having the team we've got, and let's do it again, except for COVID this year.
Do you have a cone in the back of your seat?
Maybe. I got a team driver.
What do you want to give us your employee spotlight moments? Give us your best employee story so far. You got anything?
We had one employee during COVID, just completely busted it, and also lost 20 pounds.
Wow.
Working crazy hours.
Were you more proud that they busted it or lost 20 pounds?
Busted it.
Okay. Let's see. What do I think? I think some of these crazy, showing up early, leaving late stories are great, but I think on top of that, it's just finding different ways to support the company in a tough way. It's not just selling Oral ID and Saliva Max. Unfortunately, during a pandemic, it's figuring out how to, the idea of a hand sanitizer came from one of our team members, and the idea of selling different products, PPE, masks, gowns. I mean, we're selling bonnet caps or beard covers. That's all driven by you guys, and we appreciate the ideas and also the hard work to make those ideas happen. That's my favorite Brian story with an employee. Grown man welding. I don't think that's appropriate for right now. You got nothing?
I had nothing.
All right.
Anyway.
Well, we appreciate your efforts, but from B and I. All right. Thanks, everybody. Happy Employee Appreciation Year.
Event.
Let's call it year.
All right.
Thank you again. Every day and every day, all day is employee appreciation. So thanks for your efforts.
Bye-bye now.
Take care now.